Cool beans, let's get into it. Okay, as always, starting out with the dollar. If we go back to Monday night, we was here. We was right here Monday night. This is Monday night, 8 o'clock. So we was right in this area. I told you guys that if we were to get a stimulus, that you could expect the dollar to more than likely buy to the upside. Um, but being that we haven't got a stimulus, the dollar has just continued to sell off. Um, the example that I gave you guys Monday night was price coming down and then coming and breaking this level up here and then continuing to the upside to come up here and retest this level here. Or I had it coming up, retesting this level, and then selling down. And so you can see that price didn't come up here. It just came up above these equal highs and started to sell off, which is cool. We see that the market opened up for Asian session tonight after the close today with a gap to the upside. I want to see if price get back above this high and close above it. Right now, price haven't quite got above this high. So I want to see if price can get above this candle right here. This candle is high and close above it. And then if it does, I want to see it just go ahead and keep pushing and then get above these two price levels here and use these price levels as a support to keep pushing to the upside. However, if it can't close above the open of this candle here, this red candle, then I do expect the dollar to keep selling to the downside. Um, especially if we don't get a stimulus deal. So if we don't get a stimulus deal, I definitely expect the dollar to keep selling to the downside. So with that being said, moving on to Euro USD, going back to Monday night, we was here. I wanted to see Euro USD. I wanted to see Euro USD sell off of this level. However, we see that was not the case. Euro USD is buy. So if you would have took this buy, you would have took a short. You would have took a slight loss, stop loss, right on here. So being that we do see this bullish move in Euro USD and we see the dollar continue to sell, and we know that Euro USD and the dollar go in the opposite direction of each other. So I do expect Euro USD to keep buying to the upside. Um, this is my target for Euro USD. Once the Euro USD come up there and retest that price at 2012, 1.2012. As long as the dollar keeps showing bearish momentum, then our currency pairs should keep showing us bullish momentum. Looking at GBP USD, we was here Monday night. Wanted to see GBP USD sell here. We did get the sell, but got an opportunity to sell twice. But GBP USD did break that to the upside. So you would either got stopped out in profit or stopped out at break even. And then GBP USD just kept pushing. And a lot of GBP USD pushing away it pushed was because of Brexit talks. Um, they've been talking about coming to a deal on Brexit negotiations or whatnot. So that of course moved the market a little bit, um, and along with the dollar selling off the way that it did. So that's why you see GBP USD take off the way it did. Looking for a re-entry on GBP USD. Looking for GBP USD to come all the way up here. Moving on to NZD USD. Going back to Monday night, um, we was right here. I told you guys that NZD USD had already taken it off. Um, and I told you guys that you would have to wait for it to come back here to try to get an entry, but you can see how it just pushed through, came back, used that same those same price levels as support for entry, and just kept making those steps. Those are the stairway to heaven right there, y'all. That's what you want to see. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And you will stop making them. Simple market, that's simple price action and market structure. Simple price action and market structure at its finest. Yep. And the sweet thing about it is you can use your same levels as entry. And of course you feel. So the USD, yeah, she got legs on her. Definitely got legs. There's a lot of imbalance to the downside, bro. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have to see what's going on with this dollar. With this dollar. Dollar keeps selling, this thing gonna keep pushing right on up. The dollar buying right now though, so that's why you see it giving us that pullback because you see the dollar is in a pullback. So we know our currency pairs move what? Opposite direction of the dollar. So we just gotta see what that dollar gonna do. Moving on to Bitcoin, going back to Monday night. Going back to Monday night, we was right here. This is 8 o'clock Monday night. This is like 8:30, 8:45. So we was right up in here. Um, told you guys that I wanted to see Bitcoin either give us an entry off this level or this level. I really wanted to see Bitcoin go ahead and give us an entry off of this level because it was showing all this bullish momentum. However, I did say that it was a chance that Bitcoin could come back down here because I didn't like this imbalance down here. And I said that it was a chance that Bitcoin could come and grab this imbalance, fill in this imbalance before pushing up. However, Bitcoin did decide to go ahead and push it off its level, gave you two opportunities. So even if you didn't catch this one, like I didn't, I end up catching this one. And I wish I would have held my buy from Saturday along with this one. Good gracious, because Bitcoin took off like a rock. I mean, from Monday night to current price, that's 1,200 pips. Good gracious. Um, if you extend it all the way out for the full pivots, that's 1,500 pips. So, yeah, man. So that's why you can lose three trades and win one trade and still be profitable for the week or for the day or whatever. That's why risk to reward management is so important. You only want to be taking trades that's at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward at a minimum. That way you can lose 7 out of 10 trades and still be profitable. So those trades that we had that got stopped out, break even, or might have got stop loss, might have got hit. It don't even matter. You make that up with one trade in some. So look at that Bitcoin now. I do think Bitcoin is going to keep pushing. I don't think Bitcoin is ever going to come back down here anytime soon. It's going to come back down here, but I don't think it's coming back down here. Let me go back out to the 4 hour, show you where we've been trading Bitcoin from since March. We've been trading Bitcoin from down here at 4,000 since March. Y'all remember, everybody that's been on the call since March, y'all remember all this. We've been trading all this. We've had our eyes on these highs. Let me make those green for dollar sign, baby. And so, as you can see, we're about to achieve this one from 2019. Then we're going to achieve this one from 2018. And this one from 2017. And then we're just going to keep pushing. Keep pushing. And then a few years or whatnot from now or whatnot, we'll come down here. We'll come, maybe, I don't know if we'll come, well, yeah, we may come back down to about 9,000. I don't think we'll ever come back down here to like 3,000. If we do, it'll be some years, in my opinion. So, but yeah, so we think Bitcoin is gonna keep pushing. Let me go back down to 50 minutes. Yeah, Bitcoin paid big bucks, and still paying. Um, and so this is all that news that Corman was just talking about on the fundamentals section. That's what came out of all of that. That and had you been paying attention on the call, you would have had a perfect entry. And you would have been on, you would have had first class seats to this ride. Like, perfect entry. But hey, I can lead you to water. I can't make you drink. I can't push the button for you. You gotta push the button yourself. Moving on to silver. Monday night we was up in here. Okay. I told you guys I wanted to see silver come up in here and sell. But I wanted to see silver come back down here. Silver keep pushing because of that drop that we had in the dollar. So we see silver come, give us that bullish push here and back right off that level. Bye. It done came back in there. A whole bunch of maybe equal low right here and came back down. So just looking at silver, the dollar keeps selling, it's not gonna keep pushing up. So everything swinging on the dollar. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Mm-hmm. So it's right here. It's wrap. Nowhere to go but through. Hopefully it'll just come down, fill in the gap, and start pushing back up to the yeah. So let me see, looking at silver, let me go back to silver. So yeah, um, for now, me, I'm gonna I'm gonna wait for silver to get back above this level and see if it can hold this level 25, 27. Almost me. Something like that. So yeah, that's what I want to see out of silver for the rest of the week. Look, this liquidity that I wanted to see taken out last week with this buy, look, got it today. Market, that's how you know, the market do what it want to do. It do what it want to do. So, going back to Monday night, we was here. So you guys, I wanted to see gold sell off of this level here. We got the sell, but gold did snap back. Of course, once you see that dip in the dollar, of course you can look for gold to go in the opposite direction, just like silver. So you would should have got stopped out in profit because this is gold. This is a lot of pips. Like 1100 pips. um, but snap back. Could have used a level as a entry. Could have used the top of this level for another entry. Prices steady taking off. So I want to see price something like silver. Hmm, this gold. Let me see. Let's see if it's gonna keep going to the upside. Um, if the dollar do keep selling, I do see gold keep pushing up. I don't think gold might not even be inside. 'Cause I think the dollar. I think the dollar's gonna keep selling. It's already at 92 cents. Let me see. 2008, we already know what that was. Financial crisis of 2008. Uh, for what? It got to 70 cents. Let's see. All right, All right. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, if the dollar can't hold, if the if the dollar can't hold this level right here, you definitely see the dollar. Mm. So it definitely gotta hold this price that it set. If it don't, this the weekly time frame, and this is a good, nice engulfing candle right here. If this week, if this weekly candle ends as an engulfing candle, then we probably gonna see the dollar come on and sell off down to like 90 cents. Okay, so let me go back down to the hour now. On the Dell, hold on, let me see something. Was that high? 92.63. Back above it. Let's see, let's see, let's see. If it break back below this level, y'all, and break back below this level, retest this level, and can't get back above this level, y'all already know what time it is. The dollar gonna be selling. The dollar gonna be selling, and it's gonna be headed back to retest first this price at 91 cents. Hours, 2 hours. And then this price. So it's gonna be selling to this. It's gonna come back retest this price. Yeah. And then this price. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind for the dollar. So just know if the dollar don't stay above this price level at 92.63, if it's right below, you can't get back above it, it's going down. And then we already know if the dollar gonna be selling, then our currency pairs is gonna be being bearish. That's gonna go ahead and push us up to retest our targets on Euro USD, GBP USD. NZD/USD. And you know we bullish for crypto, for Bitcoin. We bullish metals, silver and gold. Um, I'm starting back to get interested in oil. Um, I'm I'm a I'm a I'm a I think I'm gonna wait till next week though, but I see some stuff that's starting to catch my attention again. Let me put it out there. I have something for y'all with all for next week, or maybe before the end of the week. You never know. Last but not least, looking at U30. Let's go back to Monday night. Monday night we was here. Told you guys that I wanted to see U30 come back up in here. See, we got that today. I mean, we got that yesterday. Got that sale yesterday. Um, and then when you got this sale, you already know. Measure that move, pull out that fill. And then again, you do some entry here for another nice sale. And being able to hit it again. Measure this move, could have caught that sale. Measure this move, could have caught. It just, man, you could just walk that thing down. This is the move that Corman was talking about that happened at 7:30 when we had the press, when we got that press conference. And you see we got this dip right here. You also see that we had liquidity. We had equal lows right there. And then the news came out. What we call that? Manipulation. News came out, smashed it up. Now we should see U30 sell on, buy on back up to the upside. And then we'll know what U30 gonna do when we get back up into this area. Either U30 gonna break it and start back pushing up, or it's gonna use it as a resistance and keep pushing to the downside. So 30 Bitcoin, those are best performing trades this week. Um, Currency pairs didn't start out as good this week, which is all good. We'll see if we can catch them on the back end for the rest of the week. So that's what I got for U30 for the rest of the week. That'll wrap up technical analysis for tonight.